Do you want to speak English more confidently in restaurants and cafes?
Or maybe you feel nervous when ordering food in English.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about eating out and favorite foods.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy today's conversation. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today we're talking about restaurants, food, and eating with friends.
You'll hear real English expressions people use in daily life.
Before we begin, thank you so much for supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below.
All right, Emily, I'm already hungry.
Haha, me too. Let's begin. Paul, what's your favorite food?
That's a difficult question.
Really?
Yes, I love too many foods.
Haha, same here.
But if I must choose, probably pizza.
Classic answer.
What about you?
I really love pasta,
That sounds delicious.
especially creamy pasta.
Now I'm hungry. Do you like spicy food?
A little, but not too spicy.
I love spicy food.
Really?
Yes, the spicier, the better.
No way.
Seriously.
One time I tried super spicy noodles.
And?
I cried.
Haha,
My eyes were watering.
that sounds painful.
Very painful.
What about everyone listening? What's your favorite food?
Pizza, rice, noodles, burgers?
Tell us in the comments. Do you enjoy eating at restaurants?
Yes, especially with friends.
Same.
What kind of restaurants do you like?
Simple and quiet places.
Me too.
I don't like very noisy restaurants.
Same here.
One time, I went to a restaurant with super loud music.
Oh no.
I couldn't even hear my friend talking.
That sounds annoying.
Very annoying.
Do you usually order quickly?
No, I take forever.
Really?
I read the menu 5 times. Everything looks delicious.
That's true.
What do you usually order to drink?
Usually iced tea or juice.
I always order soda.
Not healthy, Paul.
I know. One time, I accidentally ordered the spiciest dish on the menu.
Seriously?
Yes, I thought it was normal spicy.
And?
I drank 3 glasses of water.
Poor Paul.
My face became red.
That's funny.
Not funny at the time.
Do you like desserts?
Of course.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake.
Good choice.
What about you?
I love cheesecake,
Wow, cheesecake is amazing.
especially with coffee.
Everything becomes better with coffee.
You and your coffee.
Seriously, coffee makes me happy.
Do you visit cafes often?
Maybe twice a week.
That's a lot.
I like relaxing there.
Same.
Sometimes I bring my laptop and sit quietly.
That sounds peaceful.
One time, I accidentally spilled coffee on the table,
Oh no.
and everyone looked at me. I wanted to disappear.
That's embarrassing.
Very embarrassing.
What about you guys listening? Do you enjoy cafes?
And what's your favorite dessert?
Tell us in the comments. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson on Everyday English Learning.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.